Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on new features developed for the WF-RepTool since the last videos for auditors. In the last years, two main features were developed which might be very useful for you: the graph and the calculation of recycling and recovery rates for interim fractions. Please have a look at other videos for auditors to get other information on, for example, how to get data for control. When you're in the list of reports, you may open the graph with using the graph symbol. If you are anywhere else in the report, for example at first fractions, you may use the graph menu button to come to the graph. The graph is the picture of the treatment tree, which you may, for example, print out for your audit to follow the treatment process. Regarding the options to collapse and expand the graph to see more or less information per fraction, to zoom in or to zoom out, or to go back to original size, to sort the graph to the weight of fractions, or to highlight information you are interested in, for example, recycling, or to print the graph with different options. Please have a look at the videos for reporters and search for videos on the graph. Here you will also find a video on the second interesting new feature for you, the option to see the recycling and recovery rates calculated for the interim fractions. If you move the mouse over the fraction you are interested in, the cake symbol, you will see the recycling and recovery rates calculated for this interim fraction. Left side based on the WE Forum model classification, right side based on the national classification. For the model classification applied in the WF-RepTool, please have a look at the videos and search for classification. For the option of the national classification, please see the user manuals. You may go through the report looking at the fractions you are interested in. At present, there is no option to export or print out these recycling and recovery rates for interim fractions. I hope these features are interesting for you. If you have any questions, please let us know.